Dear students, in the previous class we discussed about the chapter linear equations in two variables, or the general form of that linear equation in two variables x and y is what is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form. X and y are the variables. A, B, C are constants. Then the graphic presentation of that linear equation is a straight line in coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry means the plane with the xy axis. Then any point has two values. First is the x coordinate, that is the value of x, and second is the y coordinate, that is the value of y. Then this is the general part. The variable y is equal to 0. We get the ax plus c is equal to 0. That is the equation of a line. That is that x coordinates of all points are equal. That is a line parallel to y axis. When x is equal to 0, the equation is dy plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, it is a horizontal line. It is parallel to x axis. And all the x coordinates of that y axis are 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 is the equation of y axis. And all the y coordinates of x axis are 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 is the equation of x axis. Then only x, it is a vertical line. Only y, it is a horizontal line. With x and y, that is x plus b plus c is equal to 0. That is the equation of a line. It is not vertical or horizontal. Therefore, that line is known as an inclined or sloped line. Inclined means chariot. Slope or chariot. Gradient, slope, inclination. These are also same. Therefore, the line with x and y, it is known as an inclined line or sloped line or gradient line. Then the first exercise for that chapter is exercise 4.1. 4.1. The first question is the cost of a notebook is twice as the cost of a pen. Express it as a linear equation. Short form equation is equation. Answer is what? Answer. We know that the price of notebook and also the price of pen are unknown. Then price of notebook will be related to the price of pen. Therefore, price of pen be not dependent. Therefore, it is independent. And the price of notebook is dependent to price of pen. Therefore, there are two variables. Let us assume that the first variable, that is the price of pen, is x rupees. Therefore, price of pen is equal to rupees. Yes. Similarly, therefore, price of notebook. In question, cost of a notebook is twice. Twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Therefore, that is twice. That is why I am talking. So equal to 2 times of x. Therefore, equation is 2x. Shift y to right, it is minus. Y is equal to 0. This is of the form x plus by plus c is 0. A is 2, b is minus 1, and c is 0. That is not there is no constant. If there is no constant of that linear equation, always that the graph of the linear equation passes through origin. Example, for example, x minus y is equal to 0. That means y is equal to x. Then graph x 0, y 0. Therefore, this is equal to x1, y1. This is equal to x2, y2. This is equal to, therefore, this is the line. It passes through. That means there is no constant for that linear equation. That means c is a 0. Always that line passes through origin. Therefore, this is the general equation of that, the relation between price of notebook and pen. Okay. Then question number 2. Question number 2. Express the following linear equations of the form. Express the following linear equations of the form. That is the general form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The first question of that one is two x is simple. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. That means that c is on the right, therefore shift it to left. Answer is what? 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Then second question is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. X minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. That is, in this case, I is what? B is minus 1 by y, C is minus 1. But we write as A, B and C are the integers, not a fraction. Therefore, what's the denominator of y? It is 5. Therefore, multiply each terms with 5. Answer is what? Multiplying by 5. Because denominator of y is 5. Multiplying by 5, the 5 and 5 cancels. Therefore, we get what? What is the answer? 5 in the x. 5 cancels. Minus 1. Multiply by 5, we get what? 5x minus 5, 10 into 5, 50. Is equal to 0. That is the solution of, that is the general form of the linear equation. Then Question number 3. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. General form is x plus by plus c is 0. The coefficient of a is x is always right as positive. That means always the general equation is ax plus by plus c is 0. A is negative or positive, but always we write A as positive. B is negative or positive, C is also negative or positive. But A write always write as A is positive. Therefore, the negative minus 2 is the coefficient of x. Therefore, multiplying by minus answer. Multiplying by minus. Minus into minus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Is equal to the plus into minus minus. Shifting 9 to right. Therefore 2x minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Third one is 3x is equal to minus 3x is equal to y plus 2. In this case, minus 3x is reduced into plus 3x. Therefore, shifting this one, that is answer is minus 3x goes to right. That is 3x. Y is given. 2 is given. Is equal to this one is 0. That means this 0 is written into right side. This is the area 4. The right side. Then fourth question is x by 5 x by 5 x by 3 plus 3 by 2. Next question. Question number 4. X by 3 plus 3 by 2y plus 4 is equal to 2y minus 3. In this case, there are y terms with 2 y terms. Therefore, shifting all the right terms to the left, that is x by 3 plus 3y by 2. Shifting 2y to left, that is minus 2y plus 4. Minus 3 to right, left, that is plus 3 is equal to 0. Then this is the term with y. Therefore, denominator is 2. Therefore, we get the LCM for that. That is x by 3 plus. LCM is 2. 2 of 4. 2 by 2 is what? That is 2. Numerator is always 3y minus 2 into 2. That is 4 plus 4 plus 3 7. That is x by 3 plus 3y minus 4y. That is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. That is minus 1 by 2 plus 7 is equal to 0. The number of x is 3, y is 2. Product of these two is equal to 3 into 2. That is 6. Therefore, multiplying by 6. Therefore, that is 6 into x by 3 minus 6 into y by 2 plus 7 into 6 is equal to 0. That is the case. 6 by 3 is 2. That is 2x. 6 by 2 is 3 minus 3y. 7 into 6, 42. Equal to 0. That is the level 4 of that equation. Level 4 of that equation. Then exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Which of the following is linear and high? First question. Which of the following is linear, comma 1. First question is y is equal to 3x plus 5. Listen, what is the linear equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The power of x and y are constants. First question. Listen, y, x and 5. Answer is what? 3x. Shifting y to right, minus 1. Plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore it is linear. Why? Because 1. That is power of x and y are equal to 1. That is first degree. That is the answer. Then third question. So second question. X square plus y plus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. Answer. The highest power of x is 2 and power of y is 1. This power of x is 1. But there is a term with second degree. That is the answer. There is a term that is x square with second degree. Therefore, it is Then main question number 2. Check whether the following are the solution or not. Check which of the following are solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4. One, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0, 3, 4, 0, 4, root 2, 4 root 2, then 5, 1, 1. That means here this is a second first degree equation etc. that is linear. Therefore, the graph of that one is a straight line. All the points of that straight line are the solution of that linear equation. There are infinite, so that is only one equation is given. There are infinite solutions. There are infinite solutions. The answer is what is this? X minus 2y is equal to 4. That means x is 0, y is 2. Substitute these values in this equation. The answer is 4. Therefore, that is a point. That is a solution of that line. Right. Listen. X minus 2y is equal to. What is x? 0. What is y? 2. 0 minus 2 into 2 is equal to minus 4. That is not equal to 4. That is, it is not equal to 4. Therefore, 0, 2 is not a solution. That is the answer. Then second one, what's the point? 2, 0. Therefore, similarly, this problem, x minus 2y is equal to, x is 2, minus 2 into 0 is equal to 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. That is not equal to 4. Therefore, 2, 0 is not a solution. Okay. The third is 4, 0. Question number 3. X minus 2y is equal to, x is 4, y is 0. 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Okay. Therefore, this point satisfies this divided equation. Therefore, 4, 0 The next one, root 2, 4 root 2. That is the fourth question. X minus 2y is equal to root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 is equal to root 2 minus 4 into 2, 8 root 2. Root 2 means 1 root 2. 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2 means 7 root 2. That is minus 7 root 2. That is not equal to 0. Sorry, not equal to 4. Therefore, root 2, 4 root 2 is not a solution. Okay. Then last one, that is not, that's not a solution. Then last one more. Then question number 5. X minus 2y is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. That is not equal to 4. Therefore, 1 is not a solution. Okay. Then third question. Find the value. Question number 3. Find the value of k. Find the value of k such that x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to 3. That is x is equal to y is equal to 1 means that is the ordered pair of 2 1. It is a point on the line means it satisfies. That means the sum of these two values is equal to the constant. That is ax plus by is equal to minus a. That satisfies for any value of x given. It is a solution. So given that what x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of given equation. Therefore, answer is x is equal to 1, that too y is equal to 1 is the solution. Therefore, it satisfies given equation. Therefore, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 2 into 4, 3 into 1, 3 is equal to k. That is k is equal to 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, k is equal to 7 is the answer of that question. Then next question. Express the solution for the question. Express y is equal to, that is 3y is equal equal to x of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And indicate the values indicator A, B, C. What is the L form x plus b plus c is 0? We can express any linear equation of this form. Always ax write as positive. Therefore, this x is equal to left, it is minus. But 3y is equal to right, it is minus 3y. X is always positive. Answer is x minus 3y is equal to 0. That is x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. That means comparing these two. Which implies that quotient of x is equal to a, that is 1. Quotient of y is equal to b, that is minus 3. And c is equal to 0. We know that c is equal to 0, that means a line passes through origin. That is the answer. Then question number 5. Find the value of m if minus m comma 3 is a solution of 4x plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0. Solution is what? Minus m comma 3. That means this is a linear equation. X is replaced by minus m, y is replaced by 3. Answer is x is equal to minus m, comma y is equal to 3 is the solution comma is given. Therefore, equation is 4x plus 9y minus 3 is equal to 0. X is replaced by minus m. Therefore, 4 into minus m plus 9 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 4 into minus m is what? Minus 4 plus 9 into 3, 20. Minus 3 is equal to 0. That is minus 4 plus 27 minus 3, 24. This 4 is negative. Therefore, shifting it to the right. Therefore, 24 is equal to what? 4m. Then what is m? Not 4 by 24, but 24 by 4. Therefore, m is equal to 24 by 4. What is 24 by 4? 6. Therefore, value of m is equal to 6. That is the solution. The next question is express y in terms of x of the equation x plus 3y is equal to 8. Also find the points at which line cut x comma y axis. That means we can express x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Therefore, we can express y in terms of x. Answer is x plus 3y is equal to 8 is the linear relation. Shift x to the right. Therefore, 3y is equal to 8 minus x. Then what is y? Therefore, y is equal to 8 minus x whole divided by 3. That is the first answer. Find the points at which lines cut x-ray axis means. We know that any point on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Any point on y-axis, s coordinate is 0. Put x equal to 0, we get the y coordinate of the point on y-axis. Y is equal to 0, x-axis. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 8 minus 0 by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. And y is equal to 0. That is 0 is equal to 8 minus x. Shifting x to the left, therefore x is equal to 8. Therefore, point on x axis is what? X 8 and y 8, 0. Point on y axis is, that is x over 0, y axis, that is 0, 8 by 3. This is the answer. Therefore, in this case, shifting x to the right, we get 3y is equal to 8 minus x. So, dividing by 3, we get y is equal to 8 minus x by 3. When x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 8 by 3. That is what? Y axis. Y is equal to 0, is in place. That is 8, 0 is the point on x axis. Then question number 6. Question number 6. Find the coordinates of the point the line represented by points, the line represented by x by 4 is equal to 1 minus y by 6. In the xy axis, okay, that is the next question. So, same as previous question, that is x coordinate is 0, y axis is y coordinate 0, x axis. That means x by 4, that is the answer, is equal to 1 minus y by 6 is the line. Directly we cannot rearrange this equation of the form x plus b plus c is 0. But x axis, what is y? Y is 0. Therefore, put y is equal to 0. Therefore, this term vanishes. X by 4 is equal to 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication, then x is equal to what? 4. Similarly, put x is equal to 0. Therefore, x by 4 is 0 is equal to 1 minus y by 6. Shift minus y by 6 into the left, we get plus. Therefore, y by 6 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication, y is equal to 6. Therefore, final answer is point on x axis. That is y0, x4. First term is s coordinate. Second is the y coordinate. And point on y axis is x0, y6. 0, 6. That is the answer of that. Then the next question is, that is our question. Determine the point on 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. Let's explain that. If s coordinate is 5 by 2 of y coordinate, that means 5 by 2 times of y coordinate is x. That means x is equal to what? 5 by 2y. That is the answer. Therefore, that x is replaced by 5 by 2y. Then what is the equation? 2x plus 5y. So 20 is the equation. X is replaced by 5 by 2y. Therefore, 2 into 5 by 2y plus 5y is equal to 20. Dividing 2 and 2. 5y plus 5y is equal to 20. 5 plus 5, that is 10. 10y is equal to 20. Therefore, y is equal to 20 by 10 is equal to 2. Y is to substitute this value of y in this first equation. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2 into 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, point is x5 y2. That is the answer.